Hello everyone, and welcome back to another session of Revit Family Academy. It's been a long time since I did a video, but saw this workflow the other day and I thought I had to share it in a video. This is really targeted for the Revit MEP folks, age-old problem they always have. Um, this is working on a multidisciplinary project. This is an architectural model linked into the MEP project. Then you need some content. I need some families, and generally you go searching. In this case, I needed a recessed fire extinguisher cabinet. Found the perfect one and try to use it, but I can't because it was wall-based. And again, any family that is created and is wall-based or ceiling-based, floor-based, basically it has to be hosted in this case, in the wall. It can't be used because this is a linked wall and I can't use that family. Just to demonstrate, I will insert that family. So again, I found that perfect family. And again, recessed fire extinguisher, wall-based. Open that, bring that in, and this one went under mechanical equipment. Drag that, and you can see it's floating. Does not allow me to put that on because it doesn't see walls. It's a linked model. I'm going to cancel that just to demonstrate. I'll just draw a wall over here. It's not linked. Again, this is linked. And try that again. Drag that on, and this is happy. So it wants to be hosted on there. Great. So that's the problem. The problem with this family is I'll just edit this family to demonstrate. Fire extinguisher, and I'll look at the properties of this thing again. Down here, the host, wall-based. Again, that's a age-old problem with Revit is these families. Once you design this family, you have to pick face-based, wall-based, ceiling-based. Once you pick that, this cannot be changed, but it can. There's a workaround for that. This is a true workaround that will change that setting. So let's go through that. So what you need to do is I'm just going to start a new project. Any template will do. And just throw a wall up here. Then I'll go and insert that same family again. Again, recessed fire extinguisher, wall-based. Open that up. And then drag that on. That was mechanical equipment. And drag that onto here. Place it. Done. Now I'll save this project as something that I'll remember. So I'll call this wall-based test 5 here. Okay, so I've saved this project with that family that is, again, wall-based. Again, just to double check, edit the family, go to my settings here. Once it shows up, go to my settings, and you can see it's wall-based. So get out of that. Okay, so that project is saved. Just a project with a wall thrown on there. Okay, that's done. So now what I'm going to do is I'll start another project. I want to leave my MEP project alone. That's because I want to change the family, then I'll bring it into my project once it's done. So I'm going to start another project, a dummy project here. And what I'll do is I'll link in that last project I just did with the wall. So I'll go and insert that Revit file. I called that WB test 5. That's it. Link that in. Great. There's that linked file. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to use good old collaborate copy monitor select link. We've used that before. Select my link. Great. And I'll copy that piece of equipment or this object in. Click on that. It sets up copy monitor. And what that does, Revit's copying that into your project. Great. And now I'll finish that. and I don't need to do monitoring anymore. I'll stop monitoring. Great. So what it's done is now I have this family in here, but why is this family sitting on that wall? How can it do that if it's wall-based? Let's look at that same family now. Edit the family. Looks exactly the same, but let's look at the properties here. Now it's face-based. Revit has changed that for me. So all I have to do is now save as family. And let's say I didn't have wall-based here. Let's call this wall-based, sorry. It's now going to be called face-based. Wall-based exists. I'll call this face-based 2. Save that. Get out of that. Close that. Don't need that project anymore. So now back in my project where I could not put that family because it was wall-based. So now, oops, not import CAD. Now I'll go and load family. And I'll load my downloads here. My recessed face-based 2. Bring that in. And that's under mechanical face-based 2. Drag that on, and now that is working. Again, achieve the impossible, changing the inherent wall-based, ceiling-based, floor-based to now face-based. Thanks for watching.